Well, we needed some help on the roof, and we called 4 companies, and all 4 companies came out, and my manager actually called them that I had and talked to everybody that came in here, and the gentleman from Big Boys, I didn't even know what company it was from, Gary, he came in here, and I said, I want that company right there when I spoke to Gary, because I felt like he was so true and honest with everything he was talking. And it's a family-owned business, and we like to help out family-owned businesses, but the most thing that won me over was the trust that with Gary, everything he said was true, nothing was forced. He didn't lie about anything, he took care of everything like he was supposed to. So, when we had our roof replacement, every week he would call me back to let me know what the process is, what's going on, what he's waiting for. I had no complaints about anything. He even started the roof before I even gave him the checks. I had the checks, the banks didn't return it to me yet. We have a relationship as a trust relationship, and that's one thing that I admire about the company.